In this video, we'll take an in-depth dive into my machines in my workshop and its seamless synergy with MachiningCloud. Let's explore the gears that drive your workshop's optimization.
We've made it easy for you to manage your machines. From the home page, click on My Workshop.
To add a new machine, click on New Machine. You can even upload an image of your machine if you have one available. For ease of viewing, I will use an existing machine and go through the inputs from here: machine name, manufacturer model and serial number. You can add any notes that will help with setups, unique features of your machine or aftermarket add-ons. Selecting specifications, add the hourly cost of your machine and your machine efficiency. These can be adjusted at any time. Using MachiningCloud will improve your machine efficiency, as you will notice over time. Add your machine spindle specifications here. This will help with knowing what jobs and materials best suit this machine. Add any documents associated here: maintenance schedules, aftermarket manuals, or any important documents. With these simple steps, you'll have all your machine information organized and easily accessible. Enjoy managing your workshop effortlessly.